back at the channel today with a 14 Mustang GT, and today we're going to be installing the MRT Sport Touring H-Pipe. So one of the benefits of this Sport Touring H-Pipe is the fact that it retains all emissions hardware. It starts after the catalyst, getting you a deeper pitch in tone and a more aggressive exhaust note. So now that we got the part installed and we had a chance to take it up and down the block, tell me, Vaughn, what are your first impressions?
I want to say huge shout out again to MRT, and can't ask for a better application. Quick, bolt on, super easy, and also super deep and throaty sound out of it. And the throttle response when you get on it is just
Night and day.
night and day.